So first let's read the problem together. Maria bought 8 cups of strawberries. She used 1 1/2 cups of the strawberries to make a salad and 3 3/8 cups of the strawberries to make a pie. She needs 4 cups of strawberries to make milkshakes. Does Maria have enough strawberries left to make the milkshakes? So I'm going to circle my numbers that I have. I have 1 1/2 cups, 3 3/8 cups, 4 cups, and 8 cups. She bought 8 cups of strawberries total, and she needs to use them on this, and this, 3 different recipes. So we need to see, out of those 8 cups, does she have enough for these 3 recipes? So first let's figure out how many strawberries these 3 recipes would require. So to do that, we're going to add them up to figure out how many strawberries she needs for all of the recipes she's doing, and see if 8 cups is enough, or see if it's more than 8 cups, meaning she didn't have enough for it. So I'm going to start by adding the first 2 that I have. 1 1/2 plus 3 3/8. Now I'm going to do the process that I remember us doing. Circle my denominators, and I'm going to list out their multiples. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 8, 16, 24, and I already see one. I see that 8 is a common multiple for both of them. So that's going to be my new denominator. Now remember, I'm just adding the fraction parts right now of my numbers. I'm not adding the whole numbers. So my new denominator is 8. And now I count down my multiples to see what I multiplied by. So I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, so times 4. And 1 is the first one, so times 1. And I'm going to finish any multiplication problems I see. 1 times 4 is 4. 3 times 1 is 3. And I know that I add my numerators. 4 plus 3 is 7 eighths. Now finally, I get to my whole numbers. 1 plus 3, and that is 4. So I have 4 7/8 that I need so far, but I haven't added my 4 cups of strawberries that I need for the milkshakes yet. So I still need 4 more cups of strawberries. So if I take that 4 7/8 and I add 4 whole numbers, 4 whole cups, I get 8 7/8 cups of strawberries. And that is more than the 8 cups that I had. So I do not have enough cups to make the 8. I do not have enough if I just bought 8 cups, because I need 8 7/8 cups to make my recipe. So I know that if I just have 8 cups of strawberries, that is not enough to make all of the recipes that I need to make. I need to go back and get just under a cup more. I should probably get a cup more of strawberries, since I need 8 7/8 cups. I'm short 1/8 cup if I get 1 more. So I do not have enough strawberries for the recipe. Now you're going to go to the next video and try one on your own. One of these really, really tough problems. You're going to try it on your own. Record your work. Okay, here's the problem you have in front of you. So I want to read it together and then make some underlines, and then you're going to do it on your own. Jonathan used 3 1/3 cups of flour for a cake, 1 5/6 cups of flour for brownies, and 1/4 cup of flour for cupcakes. If Jonathan bought 7 cups of flour to begin with, how much does he have left? Okay, I'm going to circle the words that I see, or the numbers that I see that are important. He used 3 1/3 cups for cake, 1 5/6 cups for brownies, and 1/4 cup for cupcakes. Okay, if he bought 7 cups of flour to begin with, so this is what he started with, how much does he have left? So we need to figure out the total of all of the flour that he's used. The total all together of the cups that he's used. And then we have to figure out from that total, from 7, how much does he have left? So I just used a lot of keywords that we know. We need to figure out the total of what he's used, and then find out from 7 how much he has left. And I want you to do this one on your own.
Made with Doodlecast Pro.